Hi, I'm Peter from Lawn Technology, and I'm here to introduce to you a new tool that will dramatically reduce the amount of time and wasted labor involved in a service call. The tool is the RC Buddy. What the RC Buddy does is allows me to bypass the sprinkler's controller and operate the system's zone valves using this handheld remote, similar to any TV remote.
Hi, my name is Scott from Lawn Technology, and for this demonstration I'll be using the RC Buddy and the magnetic cable attachment. By using this cable, I can connect the RC Buddy directly to the terminal screws of the controller. There are no wires to screw on, and the magnets provide a secure, temporary connection to the clock.
Attaching the RC Buddy is as simple as connecting each magnetic connector to its corresponding terminal screw on the controller. Once it is attached, we can turn the system on and get to work. Now we are able to operate the system from anywhere on the property by using this remote control. There is no need for external power or even for the controller to be operational. The RC Buddy is completely self-contained. An available option for the RC Buddy is the satellite module. The satellite module is mounted permanently to the outside of your customer's house. The satellite module is connected to the valves wires anywhere between the controller and the valves themselves. This valve box happens to be buried and the controller happens to be in the basement of this house. I would simply plug in my satellite module, and that's it. Now I can access any zone valve I want by simply pushing a button. If I had to go to the controller, I'd be up and down the basement 4 or 5 times going through the zones, and these valves happen to be buried, so I would not be able to bleed the screws. Even if I were able to bleed the screws, it would mean trudging in and out of this bed to open and close every zone. Now come with me and I'll show you how it works. When I told my customer I'd be able to operate her system without having to go inside of her house, she was very happy. And when I also told her I'd be able to have the whole system installed and operational for around $150, she was ecstatic. For me, the rewards were twofold. I was able to make the sale of the satellite module, as well as having the convenience of being able to operate the system every time I come here without even going inside the house. Now I can simply start up a zone by simply pushing a button. Here comes zone 1.
Hi, it's Scott again. Using this remote control, I can operate the system anywhere on the property. There is no need for external power or the clock to be operational. I simply press this button and turn on the zone. I'm standing here next to a broken head. Before the RC Buddy system, I would have to walk back to the controller, which is about 400 feet over there, turn it off, walk back to the broken head and make my repair, walk back to the controller again and turn it on, and walk back to check my work. Now, with the RC Buddy system, I simply just press a button. I turn off the system, I make my repair, I turn on the system, and that's it. No more walking back and forth. Thank you for watching our video. If you'd like to learn more about our RC Buddy system, please visit our website